We're going to go back to making it a little bit more diverse with our agenda, looking at a couple different tracks from regulatory to quality to supply. And we're working very closely with our FDA colleagues to identify cutting-edge topics and concepts that are not going to be similar to the other conferences that will be offered in 2018. We're going to maintain, and we want to maintain that dialogue, the ability to have dialogue not only with our industry colleagues, but also with our regulatory colleagues, so that we can learn together and have good discussion around the cutting-edge topics. Well, it's conferences like the June conference that really helped build my career and my understanding around improvements of products that we all manufacture for our patients. And that's the most important that all the people at these conferences have in common. We're very passionate about our quality. We're very passionate about making sure we're doing the right things and building a network, not only with regulatories, building that transparency, building that open, candid conversation, as well as within the network of industry, helps us build actually our abilities to manufacture good quality drugs.